Well, good afternoon, everybody. Today is Wednesday, March 5th, 2025. This is Tim with Tim the Trader, and here are our trades this morning. So, another great day today. We're just really killing it this week. So, we'll get right to it. Trade one ended up being -4. Got into this trade a little late, and this is something that we're working on, is getting into these trades earlier when they turn. Because you can see if we'd gotten into, let me get my drawing tools, got in down here, which is where we should have gotten into it, we'd have had all this rise of a winning trade to get. But, we're learning. So we got into this trade leg, but we recognized it late with the doji in here and got out of this trade real quickly, just with a -4 loss. Then trade two, immediately got into this about the right time for trade two for a put for plus 28. And then trade three was a call trade, just a short little trade for +4. Didn't like how this was working initially, and it was up near VWAP, which we usually see reversals at VWAP. So kind of chickened out and got out of that one. That's okay. Got into this next trade, trade four for +53. It was another put trade. We had this nice sell off here. And again, got into this trade a little late, but still there was plenty left to it. So +53, yeah, I'd say there's plenty left into it. Next was trade four, which was a call. Got into this at the absolute right time for +21 right here. Trade four, trade five. Trade six, again, got into the trade right after the turn, which is where we should be getting into these trades for +35. And then trade six, we saw this reversal coming in, got into it a little late, probably could have made a little money off of this one had we got into it right on the turn. But sometimes you can't tell on these turns if they're going to go. But this one went. Obviously, it went for a while, but we still ended up, because of getting into it late, ended up giving back 40 cents. And then trade eight, got into it after it came over VWAP, which is a place we want to enter, is after VWAP. If we don't enter right on the turn, we do want to get it right after VWAP, which we did for +21. So that gave us 8 trades for +118. 118 times 10 contracts is 1,180. Gives our weekly total just for 3 days now 45.40. So really, really having a good week this week. So that's it for our trades this morning. Just a reminder, if you would like to join our group of successful traders, you can by giving me a call at 678-549-3649. And there is a monthly fee for joining our trading group on Zoom, but everyone is welcome who'd like to trade with us. I do the calls on the trade, and you can come in and trade with us. So that's it. Hope you have a good afternoon. This is Tim with Tim the Trader.